Today I'm going to talk about the ABC formula and how to solve the ABC formula. As we know, it's a quadratic equation in x, and we're going to determine the two values of x such that this equation holds. First step, I'm going to divide by a. So we get x squared plus b over a plus c over a. And by the way, this is allowed because a is assumed not to be 0. Because if it is 0, you essentially have a linear equation instead of a quadratic equation. So a is non-zero by definition. So now we're going to write it as two linear forms multiplied together, which we can do. X plus b over 2a plus c over a minus b over 2a squared equals 0. And we can indeed see that this is the same as the previous one. If we work it out, x times x is x squared, that's there. X times b over 2a plus x times b over 2a is b over a times x. Plus b over 2a squared, so you have to subtract b over 2a squared to make sure it's identical to this, plus c over a equals 0. Now we're going to take these vectors to the other side. So we get x plus b over 2a, and we square this because we have two of the same, and that equals b over 2a squared minus c over a. And now we're going to take the square root on the left and the right side. So we get x plus b over 2a equals, and since we take the square root, we get two values. So we get plus minus b over 2a squared minus c over a. And now we're going to take b over 2a to the other side. So we get x equals minus b over 2a plus minus the square root of b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. And now we're going to take out the 4a squared, and we do this by multiplying this with 4a and dividing it by 4a, right? So we get x equals minus b over 2a plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. And we can simplify this a little bit to x equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And as you can see, this is the famous ABC formula, and I believe this is a good point to stop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.